blast. So we have this, the marshmallow guimauve. You know that the French of marshmallow is guimauve. The marshmallow fluff. You're going to use this to rim our glass guimauve. Like this? Yeah, smells good. Just like that. Not too much. And the crystal sugar. We're going to use the blue, or we can also use the yellow, but I'm gonna use the blue. With this. There. So we'll let it there for the meantime. Not too much. Not too much. 1 ounce of triple sec. Whoa. The smell is so familiar. What is the triple sec made of? It's margarita. Ah, orange. That's why. It looks like it's not alcohol. No, it isn't. Ah, 1 ounce. Yeah, sorry, I put a half ounce. It's 1 ounce. Yeah.
Put in the top. Don't put the line.
Rum chata. 1 ounce also of this. It's milky. Caribbean rum with real dairy cream. That's why it's white. And the Malibu coconut rum. 1 ounce also. It's all rum. Put too much.
No, it's okay.
The coconut rum, I don't like too much the taste of coconut rum. Yeah. The rest it's okay for me. Coconut rum, I don't know. Smell like coffee? Something. What is that?
Orange.
Orange. Smells bizarre. 1 ounce, guys. I forgot to tell you. It's all 1 ounce. And this pineapple juice. It's just half of this. Not too much.
Whipped cream.
I'm gonna mix a little. And last but not the least, the whipped cream. You know the French of whipped cream is fouette. Fouette veritable. Cream fouette. It's weird, whipped cream filling. So we just have to put that's all. More. That's all. It's a joke. If you don't watch, guys, I already lick it. No, it's a joke, guys. There's no bloopers.
The one you drink in your glass.
Shake, shake, shake! It's cold! It's dinner. Whew, enough. My hand is frozen. And ice on this glass. The one more. We drank sample a while ago. Just be careful to don't put ice in the aerating. The ice maker is really useful in the bar. Because most of the drink need to have a. So, what do you think is the color? That's what I think. Because of the cream sweating. Oh, it smells good. Ah, the smell is pineapple. Yeah, smells good.
Thank you, Lucy.
Nice, huh? And because it's a glue, we are going to use the glue.
Never runs dry.
This one. Voila! The tropical blast. Don't forget, guys, don't drink and drive. So it's time now to try my drink. I never tried this one. It's my first time to make this. Do you know what the taste? What is the taste that prevails? It's the coconut rum. But it's yummy. Oh, I can drink this one. It's very yummy. I like it. I like it. I'm gonna make it many times.